you'll need the following tools: a power drill, a Phillips head screwdriver, an awl, a tape measure, a 9/32 inch drill bit, and a 1/16 inch drill bit. In your box, you should find the following components: a double-sided template, lock assembly, lock key, striking plate, drill bit depth gauge, extension slug, plunger, 6 number 4 1/2-inch panhead Phillips screws, and an unlocking bar. First, you will want to measure your cabinet door thickness. If your cabinet face is between 1 1/8 inches to 1 9/16 inches, you will need to also install the lock with the included extension slug. If your door thickness is smaller, you will not need the extension slug. Peel the backing paper strip from template's lock assembly side. Apply that side to the cabinet frame where the template's striking plate side is facing out. Fold template to the inside top of the cabinet. Using an awl, mark the screw locations. Peel the backing from the front of the template and close the cabinet door. This will transfer the template to the inside of your cabinet door where the lock assembly icon is facing out. Open the cabinet door and mark the hole locations with an awl. Using your cabinet thickness measurement from earlier, subtract 3/16 inch to obtain your drilling depth. Apply that new measurement to your 9/32 inch drill bit and place the depth gauge on your bit. Drill into the marked 9/32 inch hole location through the template, using caution not to drill through your cabinet door. The hole must be clear and free of debris. Pre-drill the 2 hole locations for the strike plate with the 1/16 inch drill bit, as well as the 4 locations for the lock. We recommend using tape to mark your bit depth to avoid drilling through your door. Match the lock assembly with plunger to the drilled out hole in the door. Align with the marked holes and secure with 1/2-inch screws. Now use your magnetic key to open the cabinet door or drawer. For the ability to deactivate your locks, install the red unlocking bar onto the lock assembly with the unlock letters facing up.